Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to set who can message you on BandLab Make Music online application or website. So you can see this is the website of BandLab. So what you need to do, you need to click here on a profile icon and click the settings option, then scroll down, then here you will see the option privacy. Simply click on the privacy and scroll down, then here you can see the option set who can message you. Like, if you choose everyone, it means everyone can able to message you. If you choose people you follow, it means like to follow, like if you follow someone only they can send a message. If you choose this one, and followers and following, if you uh, choose this one, it means only your followers and your following people can message you. And if you choose nobody, then nobody can able to message you on BandLab. So this way you can send this chatting settings. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.